Hey guys, I'm SNwadiei, and I am trying my best to keep up with my permaculture practicing ideas right here in Galveston, USA. Today I'm trying to do organic sweet potato, trying to turn it into a sweet potato slip. I saw this online and I just want to see how it works, y'all, because I've done sweet potato slips before, but in a different way. So this will be the first time doing this one. So just see what I saw the guy doing, and we'll see if it works, okay? And guys, I saw this online, and the guy was saying you just take it's an organic sweet potato, and you just put it in a box, and then you simply just cover it up with dirt. In my case, I'm using the leftovers of my seed starting mix, but he didn't say what. He just said you cover it up. So that's some of the seed starting mix that was left, and some soil that we already had attempted to grow something else in. And I'm just gonna cover it up. It says just cover it up with dirt. And you're gonna cover it up. And after you cover it up, you're going to water it and wait 2 to 3 weeks. And I tell you, I never tried this before, so we'll see what happens. And I'm watering it, y'all. And then we're gonna wait 2 to 3 weeks and see what happens. It's supposed to sprout right out of there. So we're gonna see, y'all. I'm gonna keep up with it. Now y'all already have Okinawa sweet potato slips growing everywhere in my backyard garden. The other one is just regular sweet potatoes. So with this one, I'm gonna try something different. You see how when you pull them up, they already have some roots in them. So technically you could just say grow them right away, but I want to see if I can have a better chance at them actually growing sweet potatoes instead of just leaves all the time like I've been getting, because I get lots and lots of leaves. So let's see if putting them in a jar and letting the roots get deeper, longer, will it help? So put them in a jar, y'all, and in 2 to 3 weeks I'll see how much the roots have grown, and then I'll transplant them to a container, pray over them, y'all, and see if I can get me some Okinawa sweet potatoes out of them instead of just leaves. Even though the leaves are edible, they're beautiful, they're edible, you can grow them in the house as a house plant, but I want something that I can actually eat as well. That's the potato too. So I'm gonna try, y'all. So 2 to 3 weeks for this one as well, and then once the roots get longer, I'll plant them in a container and hope that they'll really turn into sweet potatoes.